The controversy hits the Ministry of HRD and Smriti Irani after Director of IIT Delhi, India's premier institution, resigns, allegedly after facing pressure from the ministry on multiple issues. Here's the full story.
Another controversy blows up in the face of the HRD ministry, this time with allegations that the director of IIT resigned after alleged interference from the ministry.
I have
resigned, just correct. But when you under pressure,
the allegations are two parts: pressure from the ministry for a cricket academy on IIT property and to settle the legal battle with Subramanian Swamy over his salary dues.
When the new government came to power, they saw the files of all the litigations the ministry has to face, and they found that here was a court order which clearly said that the order of termination was wrong, and that there was a question of payment. So they said, pay him.
The government hitting back, saying no directive was sent to the IIT director.
The HRD ministry sources have told Times Now that the current IIT director faced criticism because of his political leanings and also because of the Mauritius campus of the IIT Delhi, where he was independently initiating a campus in Mauritius. There was a MOU which was signed between India and Mauritius in November 2013, which only said that it would be a research-based MOU between the two countries.
But the IIT board backing its director.
I think as regards Professor Shivgaonkar, let me say that there has been unprecedented development since last 2.5 years. I have been saying that regarding the campus development, the whole infrastructure development, labs, infrastructure.
As the controversy rages on, political parties raising concerns over the autonomy of the institute.
Very important that they are able to maintain their autonomy and independence. This is important because then only would they be able to excel in the respective field. It is important the government also does not create any hindrances or pressure on the directors or management of these institutes.
This controversy giving further ammunition for the opposition, which has been attacking the government on several fronts. Bureau Report, Times Now.